Welcome to the Qwilr Academy. My name is Alana, and today we're going to talk about ice cream. Yes, you heard me right. Why not? Ice cream's great. It comes in many different varieties and flavors. Whether you're a fan of chocolate or fruit, or an omnivore or vegan, ice cream has something to offer you. However, ice cream does have one flaw we all know too well. It melts. Ice cream demands immediacy. You have to engage with it right away and eat with haste. If not, your beloved frozen treat will soon become a dessert soup. In sales, just like with ice cream, time matters. If you don't schedule your demo request quickly or take too long to follow up after an initial meeting, your deals can melt. You can, of course, try different methods to buy more time, but just like with refreezing ice cream, it will bring up new challenges. So how exactly can you make sure you're making most of your time and make your deals go faster? Luckily, we have tips for you to help you get started and optimize your sales cycle. Let's go! Tip number 1. Automate your routine tasks. Did you know that a sales rep is 21 times more likely to qualify a prospect if they respond to their initial request within 5 minutes? But sitting in front of your computer 24/7, well, is not a solution. So the only way to speed up that process is through automation. Email is a great place to start. From there, you can look into sales automation software to help you streamline other processes like updating deal information. And after you get the basics figured out, consider doing the audit of your entire process and see if there are any other things that you can automate. And with Qwilr, you can even automate creating your proposals. How? Let's take a look. To create new proposals faster, make sure to set up templates. Not only this will ensure that your branding and style is consistent, but it will save you a ton of time. Once a template is set up, all you need to do is find it in your template library and click here to create a new proposal. From here, customize your page and send it away. And just like with templates, you can also save and reuse particular blocks, styles, and quote information, all to help you save more time. Check out this video on how saving and reusing content can help your sales processes. Now, do you use a CRM like HubSpot, Salesforce, or Pipedrive? Our direct integrations will help you create customized pages even faster, all thanks to the little helpers called tokens. Here, I have a HubSpot template with the tokens that will pull in my customer's name when creating a proposal. All I need to do is click here, select the template I need, and create a new page that is already customized and ready to be sent. If you're not using these tools, but do create a lot of pages each day, check out our Blueprint API option, which will let you bulk create customized pages by uploading a CSV file. Zapier is also a great way to automate your processes. Do you have a survey that your customers fill out? Use that to automatically create customized proposals. Just like with CRMs, this can be done with the help of tokens. So once someone fills out a form, a custom proposal can be created for them based on their responses, and the only thing left to do is send that proposal. Check out the links under this video to learn other tips to help you streamline your sales process using Qwilr. Remember, the more time you save on your routine tasks, the more time you'll have to spend on more important tasks like relationship building and client research. When you go to a fancy restaurant, what's the first thing you do? Look at the prices. You do want to know what you're getting yourself into. So why would it be any different with your prospect? In some cases, no matter how strong the value, your prospect simply won't be able to afford the offering. So by talking about the pricing early, you're able to find out if your price is simply an objection you need to handle or a full-on deal breaker. So when sending a Qwilr proposal, make sure to include a quote block to showcase your pricing. As I mentioned earlier, you can create and save quote line items in advance and then add them to the proposal based on your client's needs. Within the quote block, you can set up packages to let your customer choose the option they need. You can also give them a choice to select or leave certain options off their quote and even choose their own quantity. The quote total will automatically update based on their selections, and they can already know what to expect. Modern salespeople use many different channels to find new prospects. And though there are so many different possibilities, they are not all created equal. Quite simply, some channels produce better leads than others. Keep an open mind, but also make sure you're tracking what's working and what's not, and adjust accordingly. Another aspect of being focused is making sure you've done all of the research prior to your first interaction. When you're well prepared, you're more effective in your selling, which in turn helps you be more efficient. For both tracking and researching, create a Qwilr page where you can store all of your discoveries. And to make sure you keep it organized and easily accessible by you and your team, create a separate folder on your dashboard. Remember, Qwilr pages can be used not only for proposals, but also for presentations, reports, notes, anything that you can come up with and put it in a Qwilr page. Just go for it. We've all seen those heartbreaking videos of a runner tripping right before the finish line and losing a race. It's tough to watch. In sales, a similar thing can happen. So picture this: you've worked through the whole process, overcome objections, built value for your product, and everyone is so excited to close the deal. And then you send over the finalized contract and your client has to print it out and then fax it back? Well, it's not exactly a stellar experience for your prospect. And don't even mention if there's anything that needs to be corrected or changed. By using a web-based proposal solution like Qwilr, not only are you able to have your prospect accept terms quickly, but they can also accept it on any device and no printing required. And on top of that, if there are any terms that need to be changed, it's simple to do and won't lose you any momentum. Just take a look at this. You send a proposal to your prospect. They open it, they go through it, and they are ready to accept, but they want to make a last-minute change. All that needs to be done is for you to make that change and for them to refresh the page on their side. No sending tons of PDFs back and forth, no printing out. It's so simple and, most importantly, so fast. Being efficient in sales is important. Not only does it help you save time, but it also helps you be respectful of your prospect's time too. And if you wait too long, it's possible that your deal will come apart just like melting ice cream. With the time you save, you might even find that you're able to close more deals. Or maybe you can use the extra time to grab a cone and celebrate beating quota. Either works. And if you feel stuck at any point using Qwilr, click the ice cream help button in your account and the support team will be happy to help. And don't forget to check out the links to helpful resources in the description to this video. Good luck and see you in our next video.